Hi, everybody. As you can see, we are ready to get going. Right down here is our clock for our minute to win it challenges. We're going to do 3 fun minute to win it challenges. So there's going to be a video of me talking. Then you and I are going to do this video together. Then we have our second one and our third one. So we have 3 activities we're going to work on today. Minute challenges, you don't need a lot of equipment. That's right. So for this challenge, let me show you what you need. I have 3 books on the ground, or pieces of paper or anything like that. Pencils, you can throw 3 pencils on the ground. Then I have a chair and a basket to shoot into. I also have ball up socks. So before you even watching this video, there's a little thing on the bottom before you clicked on it that talked about all the equipment you need this week. So how far away? Well, let's see here. So I have my chair. I have my basket. I'm going to take 6 steps away with my feet. 1, 2, 3, touching, 4, 5, 6. I lay my first book down. Then I take 2 more steps. 1, 2. My second book. 1, 2. My third book. What we're going to be doing is trying to make our sock today, rolled up sock, into the basket. If we make it, we get a point. If we miss it, we don't. So what does it look like? We are going to be shooting from the first book today. We are the younger kids at our school, so we're going to be shooting from closer away. We take the ball and we shoot it. If we make it or miss it, we run over. We pick up our sock, we run back, then we have to jump over our book. So jump, jump, jump. Now I go back to my spot and I shoot again. So you get 1 minute to do this. Now, can you shoot it overhand? Yes. Can you shoot it underhand? Yes. All of those work perfectly fine. But what are we doing? We're going to try this out today. So one more time. You have 3 things on the ground that you can jump over. I used books. You can use paper. You can use pencils even. All of those work perfect. You need rolled up socks, a chair, and a basket. If you don't have a chair like that, you can even put a basket on the ground, a box on the ground. That works. A laundry basket on the ground. All of those work perfect, but 1 minute challenge. So we're going to start right at the first book there. Remember, we jump over those books and we run back to the first book and we shoot again. 1 minute. If you're worried about how much time, it's going to be right here on you. Right there. There it is. So I'm going to get started. You guys ready for it? Let's see if you can beat Mr. Burgers. Remember, at the very end of all of our videos today, we will have a quick exit slip where you tell me how you did if you want some dojo points. So let's get going. We start in 3. You're going to battle me. Remember, me versus you at home. 2, get set up. As you can see, we're ready to go. 1, and we're off. 1, jump over, jump over, jump over. 2, keep going, guys. Looks like we got about 30 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Oh, good job, guys. How'd you do? I got 7. Not that bad, not that good. I think if I ran faster, I'd do it a little bit better. So if you want to at home, try it again. Try to go a little bit faster. So thank you so much. This video doesn't end. No, 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 no. It just turns to the next activity. So you'll see one link today with our workouts, and you'll say, part 1, you need this, part 2, this, part 3, this. So make sure you have all your equipment for part 2. If you don't, go get it real fast, and I'll see you guys all in a second. Hello, guys. So what's next in our Minute to Win It challenge? You're going to still need your sock. You're going to still need your basket that's back. Let me see if I move out. There. See that guy? And then you still have your objects on the ground. Last time we had 3 objects on the ground. Now you need 5. You also need kind of like a starting line over there. So you can hear me. I'm going to talk. I'm going to spread out. So I'm back here at my starting line. I have 2 shoes on the ground. That works perfect. You don't have 2 shoes, 2 socks, 2 books, 2 anything on the ground. Now, our objects are spread out. We have 5 objects spread out. How far away? Well, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First object on the ground after 5 feet. Then we have our next one. 1, 2, 3 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. So we keep going here. This is 2 feet, 1 foot, 2 foot. Our deck of cards is down here. Then 1 foot, 2 foot. We have our water bottle down here. So everything's spread out 2 to 3 feet. What are we doing? We're trying to make some baskets. Underhand toss. Now, if you don't have a big basket like this, you can use a cardboard box, you can use a laundry basket, anything like that. So, how does it work? I start off when the timer goes 3, 2, 1, go. 1 jumping jack. I move my basket out, and I come back, and I have to make it in. I made it, yes. I run, pick up my sock, take it to the next line, run back, do another jumping jack. Try to make that one. Uh-oh, I missed. I run, pick it up, run back, another jumping jack. Every time you shoot underhand, you have to do a jumping jack. So, I jumping jack. I toss. It goes in. I run, pick up my basket, put it at the next line, run back, jumping jack, then I shoot again. I'm trying to get all the way to here to my water bottle with the basket right on the ground here. Once that happens, I throw it in. Boom! Makes it. If I make all 5, I run, pick it up, run back, and then you stop the clock. So for me and at home, I can easily stop the clock. If you don't want to stop the clock and you don't have the ability to, maybe right when you get to the end, if you can do that, start counting in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, ding. So you take 60 seconds and you minus 4. So then you did this all in 56 seconds. So hopefully you can do it all. I don't know if I can. I'm going to try right now. So I'm set up. I got my basket at the first one. This is going to be a little hard for me because I have to start the timer here, run down there and start. So I'm going to lose a second, but that's how it is. We're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Yeah. All right, I got my 45 seconds. You guys got 14 seconds left. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. I got 45 seconds. That was amazing. I didn't think I was going to get those last ones right there, but got it. So what can you do now? Try it again. You can. If not, get ready for our last minute to win it. I told you there was 3 this week. We've done 2. 1 more. What you need for this one, it's going to be right there on our list on our hub. So I'll see y'all in just a second. Set up for the 3rd one. Hello. So here's our 3rd minute to win it challenge for the day. As you can see, there is not a lot set up. You just need space. You need your socks again, and you need a paper plate. I have my Easter paper plate. It works perfectly fine. Now, if you're going, Mr. Briggs, I'm telling you, I don't have a paper plate in my house. I just have real ones, real plates, or I don't even have them. That's perfect. What you do have are hands. So you can use your hands as well. Those work perfectly fine. The goal of this is to take the socks, put them on your foot, kick it up in the air, catch it with your plate. Now, 2 options. For our younger kids, it might be a little easier to use just 1 sock, just a clean sock, open on the ground. Our older gents and ladies, rolled up socks. So let me show you what's going on. As I back up here, I have my sock, I put it on the ground. I need to use my feet to push it onto my foot, just like this. Uh-oh, there it is. Push it on my foot. I'm then gonna kick it up in the air and catch it with my paper plate. So I pick it up in the air, catch it. That's 1 point. Then I drop it again, put it back on my foot, kick it up in the air, catch it. That's 2 points. Now, if you don't want to use a big one, you want to use just one sock, same rules apply. Put the sock on the ground, put it on your foot. It's a lot easier to roll on your foot, kick it up, and catch it like that. So it's your choice what you want to do. However, we got 1 minute to do it. You'll record your scores on our exit slip when we're done. It's going to be after the video. So there's another paper or another file that says minute to win it, exit slips. Click on that, name, all that stuff, and dojo points will await you. That's good. So what do you need? One more time. Paper plate, socks. You don't have paper plates? Perfect. You do have hands. Use your hands. All right? I'm going to get set up, and then I'll push the start button. It's blurry here. I can't get this thing to go the right way, but it does say 1 minute. So I'm going to use a sock ball. Drop to the ground. 1 minute. How many can you get? Can you beat Mr. Briggs? Do you have a family member there just smiling, going, what is this crazy guy doing on screen? Good. Have them help as well. Get out there and challenge your family member. Challenge that older brother, older sister who's sitting there, wants to go back to school, but they can't. So get set up. Get ready. Paper plate. Socks on the ground. One sock or two socks. If it's two socks, make sure they're rolled up in a nice ball. All right. We are going to start in 5. I wish this would work better. Maybe. Yeah, that looks a little better. You can see the 1 now. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. Oh, no. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use my other sock now to show you that I can do the same thing. 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that was a close one. 9, 10, 11. I'll use my sock. 11. I got 11. That's not too bad. What did you get? Exit slip right after this. This is our 3rd video. 3rd minute to win it. So you are done with our workouts for today. We did our warm-ups, got our arms and legs stretched out. We did our abs. We got our abs done. We got our push-ups done. We got our 3 minute to win it. And now we move on to our health video. Thank you guys so much for trying out. We'll do a couple more next week, and we're going to start moving on to some foot skills, some soccer skills. So see you guys soon, hopefully at school.